welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 5x5 building challenge in Bloxburg. So yeah. Okay, I finished the outside. No, not the outside, the whole thing, but I will color it now so that it looks better. Okay, here is the finished product. I didn't get to do 5x5, I did 5x4 because, I don't know, I just forgot and did it wrong. But here's the outside, and then You go inside, and here's the kitchen, and the dining table, and this window. Don't mind these words, I just kind of looked up aesthetic quote, and that's what came up, so. Okay, here you go upstairs, and yeah, the bed and the TV, and then the tiny bathroom. I didn't have enough room, but yeah, that is it. So let me know what else you want me to make, and yeah, thanks for watching.